Here I've got SONY Xperia 5 and let me show you how to activate service menu on the following device. So at first let's open the phone dialer, then go to keypad and enter a secret code which is *##737 8423 ###. And as you can see, now we are in service menu, and here you can check device info and also service tests. So let's start with service info, and here you can check model, software, SIM lock, configuration, factory charging, firmware info, security, Wi-Fi address, and also verify certificates. And let me go back and let's open service tests, and here you can test all your device. So just come along with all the options and pick the feature that you would like to test, that you would like to check the performance, and smoothly click on it. So for example, you can check your display, just click on display, and as you can now, it's working properly. Black is also correct, red, green, blue, all the colors. And it's definitely working correctly. Then you can check the speaker, just click on speaker. As you can hear it, it's correct, so we can go back. You can also check the vibration right here. And as you can see, as you can hear, and as I could feel, it works properly. Then you can check the cameras, Bluetooth, flash LED, compass, and all the features. As you can see, you've got plenty possibilities here. You can also check the battery health test. And as you can see, it's good, no need to replace it. And as you can see, Sony offers you plenty of tests, so anytime you have any trouble while using your device and you are wondering if it's about application or about device itself, smoothly enter this code and check it. So that would be all. This is how you can activate and use service menu in your SONY Xperia 5. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.